Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that's commonly used when talking about feeling sick: nauseous. It might seem a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is nauseous or nauseous. Let's break it down. First, we have na, which rhymes with saw or law. Next is shuz, which sounds like the shoes in gracious. Some people also pronounce it as nauseous, where the Z sounds like the Z in zebra, and uz is a soft ending. Both pronunciations are widely accepted. Now let's put it all together. Nauseous or nauseous. Try repeating after me: nauseous. Now a little faster: nauseous. And at full speed: nauseous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Nauseous describes the feeling of wanting to vomit or feeling sick to your stomach. For example, you might say, "That roller coaster made me feel nauseous." And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce nauseous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.